guys, I'm Vera. In today's video, I'll be sharing some of my favorite beauty products with you. And one of my favorite brands is Smashbox. And the reason I love Smashbox is because all of their products are geared towards long-lasting photo shoots. So basically, they're meant to last long, they're meant to withstand the harsh lights, and they're supposed to be gentle on the skin as well. So today I'll be showing you one of my favorite products, and this is their Halo Perfecting Powder. It comes with a built-in grinder. And as you can see, you can turn the wheel to grind the exact amount of powder that you'll need to use. I hate the excess powder I get from the other loose powders. It gets airborne, it's everywhere. This way you can get the exact amount that you need for your makeup. So again, this powder claims to create an airbrushed look and not settle into fine lines. As well, it's lightweight, like I said, so it's buildable. So if you want a fuller coverage, you can put many layers. It is also infused with goji berries and gold, so that is supposed to create a healthier glow to your skin. So now I'll show you guys what it looks like. Now I'm just wearing some liquid foundation. I'm wearing some clearance foundation because that's very gentle on my skin. So as you can see, it's not cakey, it won't settle into any fine lines, and it's great for all skin types. So combination skin, dry skin, oily skin, it won't dry you out. I also like to use this powder as a finishing powder to help set my makeup. Another beauty product which I find to be very innovative by Smashbox is their Oh Glow Intuitive Cheek Color. So what this is actually a gel which you apply to your skin with your fingers. So again, you can put it either on top of your foundation or on your bare skin, whichever you prefer. And what it does is it reacts with the moisture of your skin, turning a pinkish color. And it's supposed to react with the pH of your skin to turn the exact shade of pink that you blush. So let me show you. So here is some gel, and it's already turning a rosy pink. And it's silky smooth, it's infused with goji berries. So again, this product is great for all skin tones, all skin colors, because it's reacting with the moisture of your skin to give you a pink color, and it gives you the exact shade of pink based on your pH level. So whether you have warm skin, cool skin, this is a great product, and if you love your blush, I highly recommend that you give it a try. Another beauty product which I love by Smashbox is their lid primer. So in case you haven't heard of this, what it's supposed to do is it gives a tint of color to your eyelids, and it creates a clear canvas for your shadow application. And if you're like me, by the end of the day, your eyeshadow would crease and cake, and it needs to be either touched up or reapplied to look presentable. But what this does is it prevents your eyeshadow from creasing or caking, and it helps the eyeshadow colors remain vivid. So I'm going to show you guys. Here it is. This shade is called Light, but they have many shades that you can purchase online or in the Sephora store. So you can just blend it with your fingertip. It's almost like a concealer for your eyelids. I even tried using it as a concealer, and it works. I'll show you. Do you see? So I love to use this as a concealer as well. So now to put the eyelid primer to the test, let's try one of the makeup palettes by Smashbox. And this is a great soft autumn palette. It's called Major Metals, and the colors are very nice and warm, dusky autumn colors. So this is a great soft autumn smoky eye look. Again, these are the colors. I was using this quad right over here. So now, of course, let's add some mascara. The one I'm going to be using is also by Smashbox. It's called the Super Fan Mascara. And the reason I love this product is because it does not clump. This is the brush. So the bristles are pretty thick. They don't fall out. And I'll show you how it looks. It's great if you like to do your mascara quickly if you're in a rush because you don't need to touch this up. There, that was under 5 seconds. I have 0 clumps in my eyelashes, and I'm going to do the other eye. I find Q-tips to be one of the best inventions in the history of makeup. So okay, what about lipstick? So for soft autumns, you're looking for colors that are warm yet subtle. Here I have a palette. Isn't this so cool? This is called the Be Legendary Lipstick Palette in Moody and Nudie. The colors look like this. So again, they're pretty neutral, warm, but on a soft autumn, they look very saturated. Let's use this color here called High. It's a glossy color and it's pretty neutral, but I think it'll work great with our eye makeup. So the palette does come with a brush, which is great for keeping it in your purse for touch-ups. Because I'm left-handed, it always turns out that I draw the line on the left-hand side of my lips bigger than the right side, so I always need to correct that. Okay, so this is our soft autumn makeup look by Smashbox, and the colors I was using were the Major Metals eye palette over here. I was using the quad there with the colors Rose Plated, Gold Platinum, Garnet All. And for the lips, we're using this palette here, and the color we're using now is called High. But again, all these colors work for soft autumns, with the deepest nutmeg there to be your more dressy or formal color. And this is a matte color called Latte Mate. Great for blending, or you can use it on its own if you want to do an everyday fresh face look. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe for more, comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!